Dear Rentals Club members, today I'm with Gianpaolo Vairo. He's the founder of the Short Stay Week, an event coming up in November to which Rentals Club is a proud media sponsor. We'll see with Gianpaolo how different this conference is, what it is not, and why you should be attending and how you can attend. Without further ado, let's welcome Gianpaolo. Gianpaolo, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Thibault. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks. Pretty good. So, just in a nutshell, so when is the Short Stay Week happening?
So, as you said, is a week event. So it's going to be 5 days from the 22nd of November until the 26th. So 5 days in a row from Monday to Friday. So it's going to be a quite long event dedicated to vacation rental. We decided to have like a full event, a full week event, because we consider that in a couple of days is really hard to go through all the topics that are involved in the vacation rental industry. So this is, we decided to have, such a long event just to go in deep with all to explore all the topics in depth with a lot of speakers from all over the world.
Yeah, and that's fun. What's fantastic is that it's a week-long event, but if I'm correct into what it is not, it's not physical. People don't have to fly anywhere to get there, and people don't have to watch everything the same week, right? So what is it and what it is not compared with different conferences, you would say?
So look, we started a long time ago with physical conferences, and due to the COVID situation, due to the pandemic, during the last couple of years, we had not the chance to create live events. So the digital meeting is quite flexible. So we decided to have a full digital conference. So we are able to bring together a lot of speakers from all over the world, and this is one of the most important advantages of working with digital meetings. So this is, as you said, a digital conference. So everyone from every corner of the world can connect and can participate, can join this 5 days conference without moving from home. So the main difference is that don't need to come to a physical place. You can, from your sofa, from your office, from wherever you want, you can attend to all the conference. And the most important thing that very few people consider when thinking about participating in a digital event is that you don't need to see we're having like 50 different contents per day during 5 days. So it's a huge amount of topics, conferences, speeches. So it's impossible. You're not able to see all these amount of contents in a row. So the good thing is, if you're not able to participate to one specific session, you can have the chance to review it afterwards, because we are recording all the live contents during the conference, and we are going to give you access right afterwards. So it's like, is a way to enjoy all the content, even if you are not able to participate live. So it's
yeah, exactly. So you can do this, and also it's not physical. It don't have to consume everything. And I think we talked about this in the past, and you said how you did this in the past already, and even for conferences happening in November, a lot of people consume the content in December when they have actually more time to do it, for example, as property managers. And the third thing is to know, it's not just about, for example, US data. It's not just in English, which is, of course, is very important, let's say, for a lot of countries in South Europe. Can you touch a bit more about how it's not just a US focused conference, for example?
Yes, we figure out together with some of the most important European association. In fact, the conference is called the European Holiday Vacation Rental Conference, Digital Conference. We decided that the beginning of 2021 together with, as I said, Marie Pistinier, which is the president of the SPLM, and together with the president of FEBITUR, which is a Spanish Idioma Association, to create something that is different from other conferences existing in Europe. Many of the, when you think about conferences about vacation rental, you consider there are many in English and very few or nothing, just zero for the French market, for the Spanish market, and for the Italian market. So we came from the Italian market, actually. So we, during the past couple of years, we produced digital conferences just designed for the Italian market. And we thought, look, there's a huge need of, sharing ideas, experiences, data in these three markets, in French, in Spanish, and Italian. And still, there are a lot of people working in these three countries that can speak and understand English. So we decided to combine these four things together. So we, in 1 week, we are going to have like 5 days of, training content, so info content in English. So 5 days in just touching, I don't know, revenue management, digital marketing, distribution, sales, sustainability, and many other topics in English. And we are going to have 3 days, three touching points, 3 market focuses for the Italian, Spanish, and the French market, of course, in Italian, in French, and Spanish. So it's a way to go deeper in what is going on in the French, Italian, and Spanish market, and to share very important, I wouldn't call them lesson, information about how these 3 key markets are evolving in the future. Because we did in Europe, I would say Spain, Italy, and France are 3 of the most important markets. Next year, we're trying to bring in more Southern European markets like Portugal. We've been in contact with Greece, with Croatia. Let's see. I don't know, but we started this year with this, starting from these 3 markets. Let's see.
So differences we had. So it's not physical. You can replay anytime, so you don't have to be there at the same time. Not just in English. We talked about 4 languages, and it's not the same people talking as usual, right? So you also made sure to reach out to new voices. That's my last question really about this. What kind of new voices could we be expecting?
You're right. We are going to have the same, very important speakers from the industry, because we need their voices, because they are really, they are experts, and they are bringing a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience. But as we did in the past, we like to give a lot of visibility to new voices of vacation rental. So experts in niche markets, for instance, in revenue management, in digital marketing, in sales, distribution. There are a lot of experts that they are just experts. They're not used to be on stage talking about their specialty, their niche experience, there's niche products, and they are very, very keen to be with us during these 5 days and share their knowledge, their experience. And you will find a lot of experts from all of these markets, so from Spain, Italy, and France, and giving pitches even in different languages, because we have Spanish expert giving pitches in French, we have Italian expert giving pitches in English, and we're going to have like Spanish speaker French speakers giving pitches in English. So it's going to be a very interesting 5 days.
Correct. And myself, I'll be speaking in French and English. So it's fantastic. So how many people watching this, how may they attend the event?
So the conference is free to join. So we prepare two packages basically. One is free to join, so you are able to join to let's say a 50% of the topics in English, and you are free to join to all the other market focuses. So I would say more than a 70% of the conferences of the pitches are free for you to participate. And but in the free version, you're not allowed to see the replay. So you're going to be able to join just free live events. On the other hand, we prepared a very complete package, so you're going to be able to join all workshops, all pitches, all sessions, and to access to all the replay afterwards. Is going to be 29 euros. I think is a fair price for the huge amount of content you're going to get for this such small amount. So it's going to be, we're going to have around 200 and let's say about 200 sessions during the 5 days. So you're going to you need to have like a lot of free time to replay all the videos afterwards. So to subscribe to join the conferences, you need to visit our website is www.shortstayweek.com, and you have all the information there.
Fantastic. Gianpaolo, thank you so much for the details. Obviously, we put the links under the video. Great. Thank you. I wish you a great day.
For this small window to share with your subscribers.